Hey,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I'm making a jelly roll quilt. I'm gonna be using this rainbow one, which I love. I'm just excited to make the colors match. We're gonna lay it flat. Gonna grab our second color and we're gonna place it pretty side down, but we're gonna have to open it up and just lay it as good as you possibly could. I'm going to even out my edges and put one clip here. Take this and put it under your presser foot.
What presser foot are you using?
The 1/4-inch quilt foot with guide. Line up the raw edge with your foot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place it down and you're just going to sew through till you get to the clip.
Every few inches you want to stop, because why?
Because you got to make sure it's straight.
That's right, smart girl. Nice and
Stop.
straight. Very good. You're just going to keep doing that the whole way down the line?
Yep. You're definitely going to do that. Oh!
Your first row, it's beautiful.
I haven't seen it. Oh my gosh, I can't. We're definitely going to have to press it down after. But
That is so smart, yep.
Yeah.
But we'll do that later. Let's just
Yeah.
keep sewing our rows, right?
Definitely. And you're going to take your next piece and you're going to flip it pretty side down.
Mm-hmm.
If I can get it.
Beautiful.
And you're going to place it
Nice and even?
nice and even. I love it.
Yeah, I do too.
It's
Looking
turning
really-
out so good.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
Add the next one.
All right. Something's gonna hold me lately. Oh, I don't know myself anymore.
Get it, girl.
Look how good this turned out. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I could do this really quick. I'm on my fifth roll.
Jelly roll.
Jelly roll.
Sure.
Okay, this is the quilt top.
Oh, girl. That's beautiful.
We're gonna iron it and then we're probably going to cut some lengths off and then we're gonna do the back. Make sure you get those seams nice and flat. She stands up for people and me.
That's good. It's good to stand up for other people.
Done.
Oh, girl. Yes. I love it.
Can't wait to snuggle with it.
I know, right? All right. What do we do next?
Next, we need to trim the edges to make it look nice and straight.
I love your skirt. Oh, so cute.
My mom's gonna do it to keep me safe. This is what it looks like now, and they're way evener than they were before.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you're hungry because we're gonna make a quilt sandwich. I'm gonna back this in Minky. Minky can be tricky to sew, so make sure you follow along so you don't get confused. Lay the Minky pretty side down. This is really soft.
It is really soft. Wake up.
What?
There's more to do.
Oh, okay. Grab some batting. This part is optional because Minky is really thick already, but I love snuggly quilts. Lay it on top of your Minky.
You want some help?
I think I can do it.
Okay.
If you want to, you can use basting spray to stick your things together.
Oh,
Your
that's great.
fabrics.
Very good.
So you're just gonna spray it down, and then when you're done, it's gonna stick together. Make sure you do this correctly because it can get really sticky if you do it wrong.
Totally true. Very
So,
good pointer.
Let's
All right, spray it on.
Okay, let's see. Repeat that for your whole batting pieces. Now you're just gonna lay it right on top like so.
Gorgeous.
You can use basting spray for this part too. Get it on there. If you don't have basting spray, you can definitely use safety pens.
To baste your-
Once your quilt is good and stuck, it feels so awesome. You are allowed to start quilting it.
Awesome.
I've changed to a walking foot because a Minky is hard to sew. And the walking foot makes it way easier. I'm going to be using a zigzag stitch and following my seam lines. That's a quick and easy step for a beginner.
Very good. Show us how.
Line the seam with the middle of your sled. You're just going to sew while holding your fabric tight. keep the seam right in the center.
You are doing so good.
Thank you. I'm all done quilting. Now we need to make sure to cut the bad stuff.
Where's the bad stuff?
This bad stuff.
All right.
I'm just gonna trim up the edges because I need to stay safe. All four sides nice and straight like that one. This is binding and we're gonna put it around our quilt to make it look good. My mom has a whole tutorial on how to make binding. You wanna check it out? It's in the description below. So I'm gonna bind this up to my quilt. Yippee. And then we're gonna see the final quilt.
Good job.
Thank you.
Are you all done with your quilt?
It's finished.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Do you like it?
I love it.
I am so proud of you.
It turned out really well. And you
Yeah.
can still wear it as a skirt.
And you can still wear it as a skirt.
I'm Little Miss. She sews seams. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You made that?
Yeah.
What? I love it. Let me wrap you up and hug you.